Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Familia. Today's Eid Shopping vlog is really important because we're going to show you one of the most cheapest shopping places in Toronto. So you have to watch this from beginning to end. A really close friend of ours showed us this place, so thanks to her for showing it to us because we've been here for almost a year and we didn't know about it before. So right now we're headed towards Orfus Road, which is located at Yorkdale.
Turn left onto Dufferin St.
There are over 50 clearance outlets, liquidation centers, and factory stores that are definitely worth checking out at this discount shopping hub. Orfus Road is between Dufferin Street and Caledonia Road. This outlet strip is easily accessible via the 29 Dufferin bus or by walking just 5 minutes south of Yorkdale Shopping Centre.
Turn right onto Orfus Road. In 600 meters, your destination will be on the right.
So we're finally here, and we were here to go to Ardene, but we decided to go and start at one place and go all the way till the end so we could see all of the different shops. So the first shop that we went into was Party City because, as you know, recently it was my birthday and Eid is also coming up, so we decided to get both Eid decoration and birthday decoration at once. Party City is amazing because you can find all types of decoration here for all different events. There wasn't really a big sale going on for the stuff here, but there were a few things here and there which had some discounts on it, so we only bought a few things. We were really happy when we saw that there was Eid and Ramadan decoration here. You can also find a huge variety of costumes here for World Book Day or other dressing up events. All of these costumes range from $9 to over $40. And this was a section where I got my 16th birthday decorations. After leaving Party City, we're finally here at H&S Outlet, and this shop is really famous amongst Arab people. You can find all different types of things here, like prayer mats, prayer clothes, modest maxi dresses, and different other types of things too. Everything here was also really affordable, which we appreciated. I also have a similar prayer hijab that I got from Qatar. We also found a huge variety of attar here. Next to H&S Outlet is MIR Cash N Carry, where you'll be able to find a lot of different types of bed sheets, pants, handbags, and carpets. The bed sheets were also in a very reasonable price, and they started from $19. Designer Fragrance Depot was an amazing store because it offered a lot of cosmetics for just $1, and it also offered different types of machinery like juicers, blenders, heaters for half the price. I would definitely recommend this place to you if you need to buy any types of machinery for your home. These bedsheets reminded me of Qatar because we had some back there. Then we went to just Thrift, and can you imagine, we bought a $40 jacket for my brother just for $9. You will be able to find very good quality and high value stuff if you actually try to look for it. You can also have a lot of fun while shopping if you come to this place which is called Bubble, which is a playing area. You'll also be able to find a lot of different stores like Roots Last Chance Outlet, Kitchen Stuff Plus Outlet, and Urban Planet. You can also find Bluenotes, Fairweather, International Clothiers, Designer Depot, Ardene, and more. It was really difficult for us to go to all the different shops because of the limited time we had, and we were also fasting, but now we're here at Designer Depot. We were really shocked when we came here by looking at the prices because the trousers, which usually would have been $39, were now just for $2.99. Usually people think that if the price is less, then the quality will always be bad, but this is not the case as all of this stuff was really good quality. Now we're going inside the shop where most of the stuff was for $10 or less except the new arrivals, which was way more. You can see how much variety they had. They had all different type of things like cardigans, long dresses, short dresses, shirts, everything you wanted. My sisters and I did a lot of shopping from here for Eid. Please make sure to keep one thing in mind. If you go here, always make sure to check the store's return policy because since some things are for final sale, you can't return them and some things you can only exchange. When I saw the jeans for just $2.99, I was totally shocked because usually jeans are really expensive. Winter just ended, but if you still wanted to shop for winter, you should come here because the jackets, which usually would cost over $100, are only for $20 here or less. These jackets over here would usually cost over $179, but here they only cost $29. Now you can see the huge amount of clothes that only cost $10. Be able to find bridal dresses at the store. Now we are finally at the main store that we came here for, Ardene. There are a lot of different things here for a really reasonable price. There's an offer going on for 5 things just for $10. A lot of the shoes and the clothes can only be found for $5 to $7. These clothes would usually cost $49 or more, but here they're for super cheap. Here you can see that these shoes are 3 for $10, and then the scarves here are for 5 for $10, and my mom bought a lot of them. Here you can see all of the shoes just for 5 to $10. There's a huge variety for hair accessories and jewelry, which once again is for the same offer of 5 for $10. Now we're here at Stitches Outlet, and the majority of the stuff is for $10 or less. If you're a creative person, then you should definitely come to this factory outlet because you'll find a bunch of different things like fabric, thread, and carpets. Apart from this, you'll also be able to find things for painting like canvases and paints, and you'll also be able to find sofa or cushion covers. We'll soon be posting part 2 of our Eid shopping, so make sure to watch out for it. Here you'll be able to find any type of fabric you want, whether it's cotton, sequences, or silk. Just look at the huge variety of laces, tassels, and buttons. Then we went to Mark's, but there wasn't any discounts going on. The prices were all the same as they usually would be in the cities. If you want to avoid the crowds, then you should come here during the weekday between 3 to 5 p.m. You won't be able to find a place cheaper than this in Toronto. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!